guys, welcome back to the channel All Aspects Crew. I'm here with Jason Nguyen, and today we're gonna restore my paint on my bumper, but pretty much the whole car. But we're gonna test it and see how it is with this method. And as you can see, yeah, it's not very nice right now. It's kind of disgusting. I'll show you up in a bit, but we're gonna be using compound, polish, and wax to bring out this paint again and restore the whole car. The rest of the paint is pretty fine, but the bumper is pretty faded from the sun. So we're gonna be working on that today. So first step, we're gonna be washing the whole car down with some soap and water. Let's get it. Pretty much, I'm testing this out to see if it works very well, and I'm planning to do it on the E30 to restore all the paint on the E30 because the E30 is looking trash right now, because honestly I haven't driven that car in such a long time and it's been sitting out in the sun. So this is a good step to try it out and see if this method works very good. And yeah, we're gonna start it off, but make sure to check out these new masks we are dropping this weekend. The new eyes mask that we're both rocking to keep you safe and to look stylish. So yeah, go check out on our website down in the description and cop some masks. Now let's get to washing. Guys, so we had an issue with the soap, but there wasn't enough, so we just added some more. So time to continue to wash it.
Oh, that's like way more.
Oh yeah.
This is a bougie ass way to wash your car. I'm so used to like soap bucket, some rich people shit.
Right now, we're just finishing it up, cleaning it up, scrubbing it down, and now we're just respraying it with the soap, and now we're gonna wash it with just water off and dry it up.
Damn, car's looking clean. Doing some last minute touch-ups. Woo! Woo! Guys, look at it. If this ain't the most baller shit ever. Fuck. Oh. Woo! What do you know about that, Josh? We got that remote start. Turns right off. Damn guys, you see the car is super clean, but we're trying to restore that. And let's fucking get it.
So as you can see right here, the paint looks really well on the rest of the car, but for some reason the top of this bumper right here seems to be faded. Pretty disgusting, not gonna lie, compared to like the rest of the paint, which is really nice. But honestly, like here it just really throws the car off, and I don't like it. It's only this top area, like the bottom and the rest of the trunk is pretty fine. So today we're gonna restore the paint. But if this turns out well, I might as well do the rest of the car and do the whole car. So I put down this blue masking tape so we can see difference it makes. So we'll do one side and we'll compare it to the other side to see how it looks and see how much of a difference it makes, all right? Alright guys, so this is what you're going to require to buff your car. We're going to start off with the compound. We're going to take an applicator pad and put a little bit on, and then we're going to rub it into the spot and let it dry, and then we'll wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Then we're going to get the polish next, which is right here, and do the same step. We're going to use it on a different applicator pad, rub it in, and clean it off with a microfiber towel. And at the end, we're going to put liquid wax on it to seal the deal. Guys, so pretty much we just finished the compound right now, and it is looking so much better.
Dude, it already looks better.
Oh yeah.
Leave it like that.
Compared to this side right here, as you can see.
So we put a little dime size, I guess like bird poop of polish, and we're just gonna dab it.
And you just want to go in a circular motion.
Are we doing it really hard?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we are, because it's polish. It is polish.
So Jason here worked his ass off, he was sweating already, but we just finished polishing it. So now we're gonna wipe it down with the microfiber towel and clean off all the residue that's on here. Alright guys, so we just finished fully, and as you can see the difference, this side, oh my god. So we only compound and polished it. We haven't put the wax on it. And this is the untouched side. Oh my god, you can see how dirty and nasty it is on that side. It's just like not shiny and it's all dull and faded. And this side is all nice and shiny and metallic. It looks so great. You can literally see it between them two. What do you think?
Dude, it's like this bumper was unpainted right here, and then right here we got like, look at the metallics. If you can even show them the metallics, it's so cool because your car's not fully black. You should just leave it like this. Just be different.
Looks clean. Alright guys, so pretty much we just finished compounding and polishing the whole bumper here and the top of the trunk. I would say it's looking shiny. Look at this shit. Oh my god, it looks way better.
Feels like a baby's ass.
Oh my god, it's so smooth. That was all with just our hands, you know? We're planning to get an orbital, so we're probably gonna do the rest of the car later with an actual orbital spinner, so we don't have to do it by hand because it is really tiring. But if you want to do it by hand and not spend $120 on an orbital, then go for it. But you're probably gonna have some strong ass hands after that.
Dude, I've been wanting Josh to do this for so long, and now that it's finally done, this is the first thing he should have done when he bought the car, and makes such a huge difference.
Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, after we finish that, now we're gonna just wax it and finish it up, and seal the whole compound and polish we just did, and yeah, that'll be it. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna be using Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. So this also has hydrophobic content in it, so pretty much all the water will pretty much just fall off. And I heard good reviews about it, so I'm gonna be using this and testing it out. So first we're just gonna dab some of this on this pad that it came with. Just gonna go over it lightly and go over it a couple times, and then let it dry. After 5 minutes, we're gonna wipe it off with the microfiber towel. All right, let's get to it.
Where'd you get that?
Came with it. Both of it.
It looks like mine. Meguiar's all day. Sponsor us.
So I just finished putting and applying the wax all over the trunk and the bumper. So now we just wait 3 to 5 minutes, wait for it to dry a little, and then we're gonna wipe it off and finish it off with the microfiber towel. So what do you think?
Holy shit. This is waxed?
Yeah.
Dude, this is better than my car. Damn.
So
Yo, this really made a huge ass difference. If you guys, look at this, real quick. If you guys think that this looks better than what we started with, give this video a fat thumbs up. We did a lot of hard work and elbow grease into this.
Oh yeah.
We could have just bought an orbital, like a polisher, but you know how we do it here, you know how we rock? We fucking like hand stuff, bro.
And this is all just with our hands.
Dude, you even did the trunk, huh?
Yep, I did the trunk. Look how shiny. I can see a reflection. Look at that.
Dude,
it's so perfect.
I can eat off this. This is how fucking clean it is. You don't feel anything.
It's so good.
I mean, I know a lot of you guys in the comments, if you are detail fanatics, you're probably gonna say, oh, he should have clay barred first, but we wanted to just see if it would restore this paint and the clear coat, and it did.
Oh yeah.
The rest of the car, since we're planning on doing the rest of his car and his other car eventually, we're gonna have to clay bar for sure, but amazing results.
Even without the clay, but honestly, it came out super fantastic.
I want to see how it looks out
You
of the
could
sun.
all, honestly, yeah.
I want to see how it looks out.
You could literally just do this all at home for under $50.
Holy shit! Dude, that makes such a huge difference.
Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, that's so shiny.
It's black as hell.
Oh my god, dude, how clean that is. Like, it was so different because we were inside there, but outside, oh my god, it looks like it's brand new painted, dude.
Dude, I kept telling you, this should have been the first thing that you did.
Holy fuck, the rear is so beautiful.
Guys, it may not be that much. We're not doing any crazy mods, but sometimes it's just cool to take a step back and maintain your car.
I'm so hyped, dude. This has been bugging me for so long.
That should have been the first thing.
I could literally see the sparkles again, dude. Literally so clean, so shiny. It's not dull anymore, it's not all faded. It's perfect, it matches with the whole car. Literally the whole car was fine, except for this one spot. It's this top.
Yeah, BMWs have that weird problem. I don't know why.
I have no idea. But honestly, it's all fixed now and the trunk is all nice and smooth. Oh my god. So clean. Woo.
It looked like it was unpainted before we hit this.
I need to get the boys, dude.
Drop a comment down below if Josh should get a new exhaust. He's been thinking about getting a whole new exhaust, some downpipes. We're trying to have this car be like a really good power build since he has the potential. So I'm telling him, just fucking make this a powerhouse. Worry about the looks later. We'll get the lip. We'll do all this stuff. I'm trying to make this a monster. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below if we did good, considering it was by hand. Let us know if we did anything wrong. We're obviously gonna get a polisher and do everything right, but this is pretty damn good. Josh, I know your car's looking a lot cleaner, but it doesn't matter how much cleaner you make it. It's a BMW, it's still gonna break down, bro.
I know.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. But at least it'll still be faster than the Lexus.
Got him! Got him!
Sick.
Here comes the boys.
Damn, dude, that looks like shit.
What do you guys think, huh?
You did the whole bumper?
Did the whole
Dude, you did the trunk too.
whole back bumper
Top part.
and the top part.
Okay,
I didn't do this part yet, but just see the difference. Like how much clean is that?
Looks like
Amazing.
straight off the lot, brother. Wasn't this the first thing he should have done when he got the car? Yeah.
For under 50 bucks, dude, this shit came out clean,
It
dude.
looks really good.
And now we know we need to get that orbital and work on the E30.
You got the clip of you were doing a tape before and you showed
Yup.
the before and after.
Yup.
Oh man, yeah, that just looking at it like that before.
But this is the final
this
product
side
with
and
the
that side?
wax. With the wax. The comparison was without the wax, but this is the final product.
It's almost like he clay barred it.
All waxed, everything.
Hey, Jerm, it's your turn now.
We're gonna do your car next? Huh?
See my face.
You see the reflection?
Mirrored.
Ooh.
That
Looks good.
Are we gonna do next on this Evo?
Hell yeah.
Let's fix this
we're
car.
gonna do the truck next.
The truck? Oh shit. I'm down. I got bottles on bottles on
gotta go
bottles.
back
We
to
got
back to
enough
back.
product for everyone. Let's get it.
I'm not doing that again on a fucking truck.
Mine's looking too clean, bro.
Nah, we're gonna have the orbital next, so it's gonna make this shit go smoother and faster. Alright?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Good shit, boys.
Hey,
Alright.
I'm proud of that. I'm proud.
proud.
Of that. My car next.
Why are
My
you
car
thanking
next.
them? They didn't even do anything.
Thank you, Jason. Alright, so make sure to check out the mask we got. Where's your mask, huh? Where's your mask? Get that shit, hurry up.
Look at yourself, fool.
I got my mask right here, dude. What's up?
Made in
these
the
new
USA.
They're dropping this weekend, so make sure to cop them on the website. The link will be in the description on the bottom. Ooh. So make sure you're gonna look swaggy as fuck. Look at that mask. Woo.
You could be as cool as Jason Nguyen if you buy our mask.
Let's
Boom.
get it. Nice. Alright, boys. We'll see you guys in the next one.